welcome. I'm back with another hair collab. Y'all already know I collabed with Allove hair. On the front it says all you need is love and gray hair, and that's just period. It comes in a pretty purple pouch, baggy type thing. I'm not sure what they call these. It comes with a Christmas hat in the inside. Stop playing with them. It comes with a wig cap. It has two inside. It also comes with their Allove business card, which looks like this. It has the information, their IG, discount codes, all that. This is the wig. It is labeled. It is a 4x4 wig. It's 24 inches and it is loose, deep, medium brown. So we about to open this. It's supposed to be 24 inches. I really like the way that look. Look at that, y'all. Stop playing with them. Period. And this is loose, deep wave, so stop playing with them. And it is pre-plucked. We about to install this and get right into this video. Stay tuned. final look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this video, period. Everything that you need to know about this wig will be in the description box. As I said before, this is 24 inches and it is deep wave. I did not bleach it. I just installed it fresh out the pack. So yeah, I would recommend. The hair do feel good. Mind y'all, this hair is straight out the pack. I didn't put no heat to it, nothing, only up here to get it flat. But if y'all like, go shop. You can use my discount code below. You already know I got y'all on the discount. Hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to get you a wig, sis, because what is you doing? But no, for real, I like this hair. I really like the curls. Just give it a different look. Stop playing with me. Who's that? And I will see y'all in my next video. Everything that you need to know about this wig from Allove will be in the description box, from the email to the link to the discount code website, you name it.